This is scary. Governments worldwide are slamming the brakes on the free internet, all in the name of protecting kids. Australia bans social media for under 16s, forcing ID uploads or facial scans. The US, over half the states now mandate age verification for adult sites and apps, turning your phone into a surveillance tool. France, UK, Germany, they're all piling on, demanding biometrics to log in. And here's the nightmare. This quote-unquote safety net shreds internet privacy and anonymity. Your Face ID, data, hoarded in hackable databases, ripe for breaches that leak forever. Age verification is a double-edged sword, meant to shield kids but backfires by making it a predator's playground. Platforms knowing exact ages could turn minors into flag targets. Hackers could breach these honeypots of child data, handing predators verified lists of kids for grooming. Or worse, predators could exploit data leaks to zero in on vulnerable profiles, pushing kids to unregulated dark corners online. Anonymity? Gone. Free speech? Depressed, as sites would self-censor to dodge barriers that kill 80% of traffic. Over 400 experts warn it centralizes control, favors big tech, and could censor dissent globally. The internet, as we know it, open, anonymous, wild, could collapse into a surveilled, predator-friendly cage. In an attempt to protect the kids, we could be handing them over to bad guys on a silver platter. Is it all worth it? You tell me. See you in the next one.